Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Shauna, and today we're doing Pink Cave makeup. Here I am not wanting to do a video, but promising a video a day. Alright, trying to be consistent, coming out of that, whatever the heck, I don't know. Hi, there she is. Yay. Alright, so we'll just stop trying to pretend that this isn't me and that I'm not doing a voiceover of everything that I just did. This is awkward. Now we're shuffling for a positive affirmation. Right, gotta get our positive affirmations. Please use this affirmation and love it as I am shuffling, asking the universe for your advice very kindly. Hope you enjoy what we get, and changed my mind. Thought I was gonna give you two. No equals a full sentence. Don't know who needed to hear that. Probably me 2 weeks from now when I come back to this, but it's fine. All right. Okay, so here's what I'm looking like in quarantine. Can you blame me? Here are my color selections. I just decided to put a whole screen there. But these are the colors that I will be using today, and I'm going to tell you exactly where I put each one. All right. So here I have cat ears that are absolutely gorgeous. I found them at a craft store. I think it was like Hobby Lobby, but they're cute. Decided to put those on to, All right, here I am doing other stuff. But this is to hold my hair back while I put my makeup on. Okay, fixing the collar on my turtleneck. Wonder if those will make a comeback. Well, I mean, if I bought it recently, then I guess it's, I don't know. Yes, I'm wearing a turtleneck. So, as usual, the palettes that I will be using is the Morphe. Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, I forgot that part. But I use Morphe, let me see, Sunbeats, and the other one is Boss Mood for the green colors. Right, zoomed in. Had to take a quick pause so that I can do my eyebrows somewhat. Not really liking how this turned out, but once again, I'm working without my glasses. Not my best decision, but sometimes it's not the worst. So the first shade I'm using, I'm throwing into my crease, and I do literally mean throwing, which is the Solar Flare. I absolutely love this shade, and I did not prime my lids this time. I really didn't mind the colors not popping so much because I wasn't really going anywhere. And it's raining outside. It's very dreary. I'm going to zoom in a little bit more. And what I really like about this shade is that it is buildable. So if I don't already like how it's coming out, I can just add another layer and another layer and another layer until it looks halfway decent. So another thing that I did, which is pretty much based off memory at this point, I tried to use some Daybreak and mix it with the Express Yourself and throw it in my crease, but it didn't quite work out, so I just ended up doing Express Yourself the most, and then I went back in with my crease to make it more pink because I didn't like the fact that it got washed out. Okay, this makeup really reminds me of Trix yogurt, but this is the Pink Cave makeup, meaning I did not want to come out of my hoodie to do my makeup, but I had to make a video, so here it is. I'm excited. I hope you are. And here I am just doing the other eye. Now this will be a better view. I love Solar Flare so much. It's almost as good as Sunburst. Except it's not. Well, I mean, it does have a little bit of glitter to it. Like little gold flecks. But anyway. So we're just gonna swipe that in there, and this is for the people who are like, what's a crease and how do I do it? Depends on the brush. You just take the correct brush, focus on that line or that crease in your eye, and you'd be good. Once again, still using Express Yourself. And I think I also added Stroke of Luck. Now that swatch I showed earlier was just like an example of what I had an idea to go for. Just looking at the colors and based how they mesh together on my arm, I thought that they would look good on my eyes. So just swipe that back and forth. Trying to make things look fancy. Okay, so today I'm not doing any foundation because that is a waste, and I'm also not putting on any lashes. There is a camera malfunction, and there's my beautiful face coming to fix it. Zooming out just a tad bit. Okay, so then I took what they call a smudge brush. I like to use this on my lids or like for highlight or something like that. And I used Daybreak there. Not exactly sure why, but that's what I did. Doesn't look too shabby. Okay, so I just mixed Daybreak in onto my lid until I liked how that looked. And this was a quick edit. But what I did next was I went in with Moonrise, which is the glittery color with that same smudge brush, and I added it to my tear ducts. Zoom in for you there. There we go. Right, wait for it. All right, going into the tear duct. I think that if I would have added lashes and some foundation to this and did like a full face like I was going somewhere today, it wouldn't have looked so bad. It would have actually been very interesting. But this isn't bad here because I remember a time where we didn't wear lashes like every day. So this was fine. So I took a liner pencil and not on my waterline but on my bottom lid I just put Express Yourself just to tie in some of the green. I added a little bit of solar flare to the inside of my eye or like the inner corner just a little bit at the bottom. And then pretty much on the outside I put Express Yourself, or was it Stroke of Luck? I think I used both of them. Yeah, I did both of them because looking at the video now, it kind of matched too much with the crease and I didn't like that. So I put the lighter green shade on there as well. So it kind of adds more dimension or makes it look different. Right, and as I prepare to do my brow bone highlight, I had to wipe some of the corner of my eye just in case I had messiness there. And this is where I applied Moonrise. Looks nice to me. Right, so I just pat that in. Right, not sure what I was looking for at this point. I'm just waiting for the next step. I'm the narrator at this point. Okay, so I see. All right, so I figured I needed more highlight in my inner corner, so I just added more Moonrise to make things look nice. Scratched my ear because it was itchy. And then I zoomed in, zoomed out, see, to expertise. All right, here's the mascara. Once again, we're not doing any false eyelashes today, so I'm going to get the optimal use of this mascara. Now, I use two different kinds. One is a regular CoverGirl blue tube, and then the other is a roller lash, which I absolutely love. Not sure if I'm allergic to it or not. And I put the mascara on the bottom and top lashes. Right, just make sure that that was added all nice and neat. Well, I forgot the bottom part, and here I am fixing it. It's a very noticeable difference. It isn't bad. Right, and now we're getting a full shot of my beautiful side profile while I apply the roller lash mascara. Awesome. Still working it out. Nice side profile there. And now I'm going in with some blush. Once again, no foundation today. This isn't even that game of pretend. I just didn't wear any. Looks cute though, if I must say so myself. Absolutely love using my imagination. And I love using, well, colors. Right, so now I have some Fenty Gloss Bomb or whatever. This is Glass Slipper, which is just the clear, as you can already see. Thought it went well. And now, of course, before I started this, my face had already been moisturized and I already put on chapstick. So I had that setting so the skin can be nice and smooth and flawless. And then I thought I was done, but then I found this lip gloss I got from, where is it? I got from Elf. It's blue, but you can't really tell. I thought it was nice. Just threw that on to see how that worked out. Didn't do too bad. What is it called? Here it is. Retro Paradise Electric Lemonade. It's finding things. But it worked. So, alright, added on more, which I think was definitely necessary. Not sure about you, but it was cool. I like. You know, I think I'm going to do a video about how I used to do my makeup as a child. I think that would be hilarious. No, I won't take you through that trauma. Never mind. We'll move forward. And what is next? Glasses, which ruined the entire look. But once again, I cannot see a thing when I'm doing this. So it is like literally a shot in the dark. Looks pretty good. Well, considering where I was going with this. Of course, it looks way better with the hood on because, you know, this is supposed to be the pink cave makeup where you're not going anywhere. You're just sitting in, you're watching movies, probably by yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye.